it's Kris from my girlfriend's quilt shop, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 9-patch block with 2 different colors of fabric in a really easy way. For this block, I'm going to create 3 different strip sets. So I will take my light blue, and then my green, and my light blue. And I'm going to sew all the way down each of those seams, creating 1 strip set. Now the second strip set is opposite of the blue, green, blue. Instead, it will be green, blue, and green. With our 2 strip sets sewn together, I want to make sure that one strip set has the seams going out from the center, and the second strip set is going to have the seams going into the center. That way we're able to once again nestle up those seams. You're going to notice that I have the selvage in there, and this part doesn't look very good either, but that's okay because I'm just going to trim it up and start with a fresh, clean piece. And then I'm going to do 3 inches and continue all the way down my strip set. And repeat cutting those strips on this second strip set. The rows have been sewn together, and now it's time to bring all 3 rows together. So once again, we'll just put right sides together, sew 1/4 inch seam allowance, and right sides together and sew 1/4 inch seam allowance. That will give us something that looks like this. And again, just like that, and we will have a finished 9-patch block. And our 9-patch block is complete. Thanks for joining.